Pala sa mga Under Armour, 1,000, 8,000 na lang to sa mga pangbabae. Tulad nito 1,800, at dito same lang din yung price sa ganitong colorway. At dito rin sa colorway na to 1,800 din. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon andito tayo sa AC Sol dito sa Show Center Mall, Show Mandaluyong City, para mag-update ng mga naka-sale nila rito up to 70% off. Pero bago yun, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe, hit mo rin bell button para update ka sa susunod. Salamat po. Dito naman 1,500 is RP.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Dito sa Adidas Stan Smith, sale na rin to ng 3,800, dati siyang 5,300. Size 10 naman tong hawak ko. Adidas Superstar, sale na rin to ng 3,800, dati siyang 5,300. Size 9.5 naman to. Dito naman sa colorway ng Superstar, sale na rin to ng 3,800, dati isang 5,300. Size 10 din to. Dito naman sa Adidas Australia, naka-sale na rin to ng 2,500, dati sa 5,500. Size 10 din to. Last size na lang din to. Dito naman sa Nike Blazer Low, naka-sale na rin to ng 3,000, dati sa 5,000. So size 9 siguro to. Sa Adidas Stan Smith, naka-sale na rin to ng 3,500, dati sa 5,300. So size 8 naman to. Last pair. Dito sa mga Under Armour ng mga pangbabay, naka-sale na rin to ng 1,800, dati sa 4,000. Size 6 naman to. At meron din sa colorway na to, 1,800 na lang din. Size 6 din to. Sketcher na pang babae, naka-sale na rin to ng 1,800, dati siyang 4,600. Size 5.5 naman to. So dami pa lang mga naka-sale dito ng mga pang babae na below 2K. Dito 1,800 na lang din, dati siyang 4,000. 6.5 naman to. At dito 1,800 din. So yung size siguro dito nasa 7. At dito 2,000 naman to, dati siyang 5,000. At dito 3,700, dati siyang 7,500. Dito naman 2,500, dati siyang 8,500 sa mga pang babae. At dito 2,800, dati siyang 4,800. Dito naman sa Nike Dunk Low, sale na rin ito na 4,500, dati siyang 7,000. Size 7.5 naman to. At dito rin same lang din yung price, 4,500. Size 7.5 naman to. Dito naman sa Nike Dunk Low, sale na rito ng 4,200, dati siyang 7,000. Size 10.5 naman to. Dito naman sa Adidas Supernova, sale na rin to ng 2,800, dati siyang 5,300. Size 10.5 naman tong hawak ko. Dito naman sa Adidas 2,300, dati sa 3,300. Size 9 naman to. So dito naman sa Nike Pulpos, sale na rin to ng 3,200, dati sa 5,000. Size 8.5 naman to. So dito naman sa Jordan Low Royal Foam, naka-sale na rin to ng 5,500, dati sa 10,000. Size 10.5 naman to. Dito naman sa Jordan 1 Tiffany Green Blue, naka-sale na rito ng 5,000, dati sa 7,300. Nike Cortez, sale na rin to ng 3,000, dati sa 4,700. Size 8 naman to. Sa colorway ng 550 New Balance, 5,000 na lang to, dati sa 10,300. Size 8.5 naman to. So marami rin sa yung colorway, tulad na rin 4,000, dati sa 5,500. Size 10 din siguro to. At dito sa colorway na to, same lang din yung price, 4,000, dati sa 9,500. So naka 70% off din to. Ito naman sa New Balance 373, sale na rin to ng 3,000. At dito sa 570, sale na rin to ng 3,500, dati sa 8,000. 70% off. At dito sa colorway na to, 3,500, 500, dati siyang 6,000. Yung size naman nito 7.5. New Balance 500, sale na rito ng 2,800, dati siyang 5,000. Sa 520, sale na rito ng 2,200, dati siyang 5,000. So dito naman sa Adidas Stan Smith sa colorway na to, 3,700, dati siyang 6,500. Size 8 naman to. Dito naman sa Samba, sale na rin to ng 7,500, dati siyang 11,000. At dito sa colorway na to, same lang din yung price, 7,500. At dito 6,300 naman to. Dito sa mga New Balance 6,500, dati siyang 11,000. Same lang din yung price. Dito rin sa colorway na to, dito naman sa Adidas BL Court 2.0, sale na rin to ng 2,500, dati siyang 3,800. So dito 9.5 naman to. So dito sa Adidas Superstar, sale na rin to ng 2,800, dati siyang 5,300. Size 6 naman to. Dito naman sale na rin to ng 2,500, dati siyang 5,000. Size 9.5, last pair. At dito sa Under Armour, sale na rin to ng 4,000, dati siyang 9,300. Size 7 naman to. So dito ko na pala tatapusin ang video to. Maraming salamat sa panonood at mag-iingat tayo palagi. Bye bye.